The Athabasca Falls are a natural work of art sculpted by glacial ice and river water. Like the crags and forests around you, the sandy canyon and icy waters hold many secrets. A different world survives in the canyon itself. Erosion carves narrow steps and cracks where tiny plants and huge trees manage to find a root hold. Bathed by constant mist and shaded from sunlight, the canyon can be up to 10 degrees colder than where you are standing. The environment in the canyon is harsh and alpine-like. Look closely and you will see pillowy mosses, multicolor lichens, delicate saxifrages and stunted willows. At 23 meters in height, Athabasca Falls may not be the tallest waterfall in the Canadian Rockies, but it is one of the most powerful, due to the sheer volume of water flowing into the gorge from the Athabasca River, fed by the massive Columbia Icefield. The Athabasca River links the freshwater ice of the Columbia Icefields to the saltwater of the Arctic Ocean. The waters here today journey through Lake Athabasca, Great Slave and the Mackenzie River before spilling off the northern edge of the continent 6,200 kilometers away. After it leaves the protection of Jasper National Park, the Athabasca River gathers water from most of northern Alberta and flows past towns, farmlands and industrial developments. Athabasca Falls Canyon Run rafting. This trip starts at the base of Athabasca Falls and plunges through numerous rapids with high canyon walls on each side. The Athabasca River is the longest river in Alberta, which originates at the Columbia Icefield in Jasper National Park and flows more than 1,231 kilometers before emptying into Lake Athabasca. After the canyon stretch, rafters enjoy the wide open views of the scenic Athabasca Valley.